Hey, what's going on, everybody? Y'all know who it is. Here, JJ. You know, we back at it like an addict, no rehab. You know, I'm addicted to giving you guys advice. So, it's just Monday. First things first. I don't want to take up the whole month. I'm gonna just drop these little 2-3 minute videos on Monday. Just doing a little Monday checking in. Just hopefully everybody's doing good. I want to everybody, let me know what y'all got going on for the week. Let me know if you what you're trying to accomplish this week. Did you get everything accomplished last week? I mean, I got pretty much accomplished everything I wanted last week. I mean, I worked out 4 times a day. I mean, 4 times in a week. That's kind of what I'm trying to do, 4 to 5 times in a week. So I already worked out 1 time this week, so another 3 or 4 times working out this week. Get some finance companies signed up with. Try to get my Firebird in the shop this week to get the digital gauges worked on. Sell Goal is to sell about 3 cars this week. The goal is 3 cars, so I'm pretty sure I can accomplish that. So I'm gonna try to accomplish that goal. Get in the gym 3 more days. My kids want to go to the park, so hopefully one of these days it's feeling good outside. I can take them to the park. They also want to go to Chuck E. Cheese too. So if if the weather forbids, it's not too well outside, we'll go to Chuck E. Cheese, or we might try to do both if it goes that. But them is the plans for the week. Get on my audiobook, finish my Spanish. That's what we're gonna do. So these are just Monday. We're gonna just do these Monday check-ins. I just want to hope everybody's thing is going good. We're gonna keep putting positivity out there, and we're gonna keep pushing each other towards the goals. Let me know what y'all trying to accomplish. Let me know if you got it accomplished. But we got to go stop down here at the shop and see when I can get my Firebird in. Hopefully this week, and we're gonna go. And then that's gonna be the end of that. We don't want to make these Monday's videos too long. We're gonna check in, get on the grind. And we're gonna grind it out. Little did I know this shop was right here, literally next to the detail shop. You know, it's Extreme Audio. It's the place they say they do LS swaps. And that's the place that said they can do my gauges. So hopefully I can get this appointment in and I can get my gauges taken care of. It's be crazy. You pass by stuff all the time and you never think about like, oh, that place. You'll never think about that place. But go in here, talk with him and see if we can set this appointment up. Alrighty, so I got his information, got his number. He said he got about 10 appointments this week about for radios and stereos, but he's gonna try to squeeze me in probably like Thursday or Friday. So hopefully Thursday or Friday. So that gives me some time because my Firebird has been sitting for a while. So I go get it jumped off and stuff like that, and make sure she's running and stuff like. Make sure it's running good. That's why I actually need to go get it jumped off and stuff today. But that's it, man. I just want to check in with everybody. I don't want to make the Monday videos that long. I just want to check in, get the week going. Everybody get on their grind. Get in the gym if you haven't. Get you some reading done, some audiobooks, and just do something nice for somebody this week. We want to start doing stuff and doing nice things for people. Where it's just second nature. Just where it's just like where it's not like where you do something nice for somebody and you're not even asking for it in return, nothing in return. So just do something nice for somebody, and then it'll start becoming a habit. You'll start just be like, dang, you just start doing stuff nice for people. I'm not saying like you gotta go out there and give this person money and stuff like that. You don't have to do nothing like that. Just you see somebody hungry or something, or you behind somebody and they're a couple like 50 cents short on there. If you can spare it. You see somebody hungry. Maybe get somebody a meal. Open the door for somebody. Let somebody go first. Something. You see somebody over there having some car trouble, needing their car pushed, help push their car. Pull over, help them push their car off the side of the road. Something. Just a lot of situations that where when something happens to you, or not saying that something will happen to you, but if you're in a situation and somebody just comes and be nice to you, so just want to like start being nice where it just becomes in daily routine. But that's it. I'm out. Like the video, subscribe. Peace.